Like, not being nasty.
I want to eat eggies.
I already gave you eggies.
I like to eat tortilla.
You like tortillas? What else do you like?
Eggies?
Eggies? Okay, what else?
I
You like Shalita?
like to sleep. I like to kiss her.
And then what else? What else do you like?
I like to eat.
You want to be a train driver?
Yeah, I want to be a Power Ranger, not train driver.
Why you keep changing your mind?
I want to change my mind. I want to be a Power Ranger.
You want to be a Power Ranger? What color?
Blue.
You want to be the blue one?
The blue one fast.
The blue one's
Not the
faster?
gold. The gold.
The gold one?
Yeah.
You like gold?
Yeah.
I don't like gold.
Good is good.
How is it good?
Because it's fast.
I don't like it though.
You have to get it. Duh.
Get what? You're not making any sense.
Makes sense.
Today, you were dancing.
Today I'm dancing.
Yeah, I saw you.
In the dancing show?
Yeah. You like to dance? You like to dance?
No!
Why?
I'm gonna sit down.
Huh?
I'm gonna sit down.
You don't like to dance?
Nope. I'm going to lay down. Chicken back.
Chicken time. Chicken time.
Jose Jake Cepeda, the most handsome man in the United States.
I love you.
And you win. Love me? I love you.
I love you too. I love you more. You know how much I love you? You know? This much. Oh my God. How much do you love me?
This much.
That's not enough. How much? Okay, the whole world? The moon and the planets and the stars?
Yeah.
Okay.
Pillow.
I'm not your pillow.
Pillow.
You're my teddy bear, right? You're my teddy bear, right?
No talking pillow.
No, Tucky. I'm your teddy bear. Oh no, you're my teddy.
Pillow.
You're my teddy bear.
No talking pillow.
No. You're my teddy bear, right?
Bye, camera. I don't want you anymore. Bye bye. Yours. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.